What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're back at the Orlando Science Center. I'm joined by Kevin, and I can already tell I'm going to love this experiment because we're putting on the safety gear, which means we're getting prepared for something fun. We're going over boo bubbles today?
Exactly correct, yeah. What we have here is actually dry ice. You can take this chunk over here with your gloved hand. Dry ice is actually just carbon dioxide, solid carbon dioxide ice, which is really cool. Current temperature is about negative 110 degrees Fahrenheit,
Crazy.
so it's extremely cold stuff. What we're doing today is, I'm just gonna drop this right in. What we're doing today is making a little cauldron, and then we're gonna blow some bubbles with the steam that's coming off of that. So the cool thing about carbon dioxide ice is that it doesn't have a liquid state. So we know normal ice, you can use heat to heat up that ice and it turns into water, and then heat up that water, it turns into gas. Carbon dioxide ice is special because it goes straight from a solid into a gas. And that's the effect that we're seeing here with all of this fog that's coming off the top here.
So this is called sublimation, right?
Exactly correct, yeah.
Awesome.
So that sublimation is actually creating a lot of pressure inside of this container here, and we can use that pressure to our advantage. So if I just go ahead and cover the top of this container over here, and I have a tube coming off the other side, I can see that now this tube is spraying that gas outside of that tube. So I can take the end of this tube and use it just like a regular bubble blower. So I'm gonna dip it into this bubble solution right over here and put my pressure on, and we should get some nice cloudy bubbles just like that coming off the end. And just like so, we got a nice big old bubble just like that.
That's awesome.
Would you like to try it?
Yeah, let's give it a go.
Takes a little bit of practice, so just dip the end of the tube right in there.
All right,
fantastic.
So we got the soap on top.
Yep, hold it downwards. Now I'm gonna cover the top.
Let's try that again.
One more time.
Ooh. There we go.
There we go.
Hold on.
It's a little tricky.
You gotta finesse it in there.
You do.
All right, you give it a go.
Incredible. And shake it off.
Oh,
fantastic.
Perfect.
Very good.
Probably one of my favorite experiments I've done so far today. And all throughout the month of October, we're highlighting Spooky Science Month here at the Orlando Science Center. But we have one specific special event. What is that?
That is going to be our Spooky Science event on October 19th and 20th.
So we hope to see you guys here at the Orlando Science Center for Spooky Science Month, also Spooky Science Weekend. But for now, I'll send it back to you guys at the desk. I'm Marquise Meda for the science of it. Back to you.